My dear beloved brother and sister, hopefully you are doing great. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So today I would like to talk about a most important word. The word is hard work. I think this is a simple word, but this is a most demandable, most valuable word. If you want to become a success, you must have to hard work. Thomas Edison said that there is no substitute for hard work. Success never comes overnight. Success never comes one day. Thomas Edison failed more than 1000 times before inventing the electric bulb. At the time he said that I didn't fail, but I found more than 1000 ways that won't work. Finally, he had succeeded. He made the electric bulb. So keep hard working, keep trying. Inshallah, you will be success in your life. Thank you so much.